Floods usually result from an excessive amount of rainfall or overflowing bodies of water such as lakes, oceans, streams, and rivers. More reasons is tidal influences, catchment, and topography.
River floodplains and coastal areas are places that could most lively farm. The two highest flood-prone countries would be the Bangladesh and the Australia.
There isn't just one type of flood either. There's actually many, such as overbank flooding, ice jam flooding, and many more. But most floods are flash floods. They gather steam within 6 hours and are characterized by fast-moving water.
The damage caused by this devastating event includes major damage to human lives, livestock, and tons of property destroyed. Many people die and gather epidemics from sewage or contaminated water. In case of emergency, you should avoid flood water or swallowing it and get to a high place where you don't drown.